Hello friends, welcome to KSS Datapedia blog. In this video, we are going to see the easternmost tip point of India. We have already learnt about the north, west, east tip points of India in the previous videos. So I have already tell that I will do video on the easternmost tip point. Okay, this is the time to teach. Okay, we have already learnt about the introduction, area, location of India, and the northernmost tip point of India, that is Indra Col. Okay, Indra Col is the northernmost point of India, and we have already learnt about the westernmost point of India. That is my last video. Okay, the westernmost point of India is Guhar Moti. Okay, in this video we are going to see the easternmost tip point of India. Okay, so please watch it. Kibitu is the easternmost tip point of India. That is located in the Arunachal Pradesh state. So let us come to know about this thing in a detailed manner in this video. Okay, the easternmost point of India. The easternmost point of India is in the tiny town of Kibiti. Tiny town of Kibitu in Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost point of India. Okay, this is so important. This is an important definition about the easternmost point of India. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. Okay, Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Let us come to know about some interesting points about Kibitu. Kibitu in Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost point of India. It is a tiny village and is located at an altitude of 3,350. Okay, in this thing, why they added altitude means that is also like Indra Col, but not Himalayan ranges. It is a mountain. Okay, that area is covered with mountain. That is a mountain region. Okay, Kibitu shares border with China Tibet region. Okay, Tibet, all of them know. Okay, Kibitu shares border with China's Tibet. Kibitu situated on the right bank of the Might Lohit River. Lohit River is so important river for Kibitu. Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, the Kibitu is situated on the right bank of the mighty Lohit River. That is a landmark for Kibitu. We have already thought about Kibitu. Sorry. Landmark in westernmost tip point of India. So Creek is the landmark for Guhar Moti. Okay, some of the fiercest fights between India and China have taken place at the border in 1962. Oh no, I am not interested in going to bell deep on this fights and all. Okay, India China have taken place at the border. Okay, border problem. Okay, this is the picture of Kibitu region. Okay, Kibitu region. Wow, well known state. If I got any chance to visit this type of place in India, I would like to go. So this is so amazing. In the photo itself, it is so amazing. If I got any chance to visit, that is what I have done in the past. Wow, very nice. Arunachal Pradesh highlighted one. Okay, that is the easternmost. Right side of the easternmost state of India. Arunachal Pradesh is the state of India. One of the state. Okay, wow, very nice. Kibitu region is so nice, and that is the easternmost point of India. So wow, here, yeah, Wow, Kibitu map, I mean Arunachal Pradesh map. Arunachal Pradesh shares border with China. Wow. Myanmar is Burma. Assam, Bhutan. Wow. This is some of the districts present in Arunachal Pradesh. Very nice. Here is Kibitu, Hawaii. Kibitu is nice. Kibitu. After Kibitu, there is another type of district, Dong. I don't know that Dong is for India or not. Okay, if I know, I will tell in the comment box. Okay, comment or in the chat box. Sorry, comment itself. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts on the westernmost point of India in any these things, I mean this is some facts about the Kibitu. I think this is so easy. I have added only 3 points. I mean 3 top points of Kibitu region. Okay, so I think so this is so nice. So bye. I will tell many more information about the Kibitu region in the state. Know your state in state playlist. Okay, this is a suspense, so I will not tell the correct wordings of this. Okay, bye. Take care. Thank you for watching my video.